Is in Saudi Arabia for the Saudi-Africa Summit. The president was received by His Royal Highness Prince Mohammed bin Abdul Rahman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud, Deputy Governor of Riyadh, ahead of the inaugural summit, which will be held at King Abdulaziz International Conference Center. He is among African leaders who arrived in the kingdom for the Saudi summit, joining other heads of state including Nigerian President Bola Tinubu, Eritrean President Isaias Afwerki, Gabonese Interim President Brice Clotaire Oligui Nguema, Mauritian President Mohamed Ould Ghazouani, Mauritius President Prividat Singh Ropun, and Malawian President Lazarus Chakwera, Tanzanian President Samia Suluhu Hassan, and Nigerian Prime Minister Ali Mohamed Lamin Zein. The inaugural Saudi-Africa Summit aims to enhance political coordination, address regional security threats, promote economic transformation through research and the local development of new energy solutions, and boost investment cooperation.